Hello. A big warm welcome to today's Vedic Maths podcast. And I welcome all the viewers who are watching us from various cities and towns. I welcome you all to today's show. I have a very interesting topic to talk to you about today. It's Mahavatar Babaji and Vedic Maths and the spiritual connections between them. It's a very special program today, and I would like to first invite all the viewers to type in which city you guys are from and your name, please. So if you can just say a good hello, we would know that you are from this city. And you can also type in your questions when I start asking them to you. My name is Gaurav Tekriwal, and I represent my organization, the Vedic Maths Forum India. So let's see where you guys are from. I'm free to hear anybody of you. There are 8 people watching live at the moment, and we see that there's somebody from Kolkata. Shanti Sen from Kolkata. Hello, Shanti. How are you doing? Right. Let's come back to the topic. So today we are discussing Mahavatar Babaji and Vedic mathematics and the spiritual connection between them. So let me ask you a first question. How many of you have read this book called Autobiography of a Yogi? How many of you have read this book, Autobiography of a Yogi? It's one of the spiritual classic, and when I read it, my life has been completely transformed by the writings in that book. So this book, Autobiography of a Yogi, was written and authored by Swami Sri Paramahansa Yogananda ji. He was a spiritual saint who went and spread the teaching of yoga in the United States and all across the world. So he has the organization called the Self-Realization Fellowship. And this I'm talking to you way back, even more than 100 years. And that was the time when he spread the teachings of yoga and the message from ancient India to the world. So why I'm so excited about this, because this book talks to you and introduces various characters who were living at that point in time. So this book introduces you to Yukteswar Giriji, Lahiri Mahashwar, and Babaji. So the picture I have on screen is of Mahavatar Babaji, and today is July the 25th. On 25th July, Babaji went and met Paramahansa Yoganandaji in Kolkata, the city where I am podcasting you from today. He met him, and that is why it's called the Babaji Mahasmriti Divas. Today is Babaji's day, and there is this big spiritual connection between Babaji and Vedic mathematics. So, what are those spiritual connections? Let's explore today. So, in the book, in Yogananda Ji, and as you know, am promoting Vedic math for the last 2 decades. There's a deep spiritual bond. There's a deep spiritual connection. So we honor today's date, July 25th, as Mahavatar Babaji Smriti Divas, marking the auspicious occasion when Babaji visited Paramahansa Yogananda. And in this book, when I was rereading it, I found a picture which just shocked and surprised me. The picture was of the founder of Vedic mathematics, Swami Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji Maharaja. So that brings me to some questions. Was Paramahansa Yogananda ji and Babaji connected in some sort of way? Was were they following each other in terms of uh, different energy fields and different meditation frequencies? So a lot of questions came into my mind, and I realized that yes, there is a spiritual connection because the next head of the Self-Realization Fellowship, Srimati Mataji, she invited Tirthaji to the United States. Okay, and Tirthaji is the founder of Vedic Mathematics. So again, there's a deep bond, and at that time, which was in 1958, Mataji also hosted him for several lectures and several seminars where Tirthaji gave in a lot of lecture and demonstration also from the message of India and spreading around Vedic mathematics. So, so there is a distinct possibility of a connection because Paramahansa Yogananda ji's guru, Swami Sri Yukteswar Giriji, was also from Puri in Orissa, where Tirthaji was the Jagat Guru Sankaracharya. That is the second connection which is there. Okay. And there's a fact which I found out only last evening that Tirthaji was very, very supportive of Yogananda ji's works. And when Dayamata was visiting India in 1952, Tirthaji opened the gates for her, as in Puri Jagannath temple, not many Westerners are allowed. Tirthaji was also very influential in the change of the spelling of Paramahansa Yoganandaji's title, and for during the 1958 visit to the West, that the self-realization fellowship began using the Sanskrit spelling of Paramahansa Yoganandaji. Also, on an occasion, the Tirthaji also initiated many monks into the society which was founded by Paramahansa Yoganandaji at the request of their mother. So I found out this connection only last night and I was very, very excited to share this with my viewers. The connection with Mahavatar Babaji and, and Vedic mathematics. So world is a small place, folks, and I only have a smile and a question in my mind. Were Babaji and Tirthaji really connected? Did Babaji also meet Tirthaji? So on this day, July 25th, which is celebrated as Mahavatar Babaji's Day, I just hope that the spiritual masters have some grand plans for Vedic mathematics as well. May Vedic mathematics also get the glory it truly deserves. So my obeisances and my pranams to all the gurus and spiritual masters. With that, I would love to take some questions from our viewers today. So we have Tanya from Kolkata. She says hello. We have, let's see, Vishakha, also from Kolkata. We have Nishta. Hello, Nishta, also from Kolkata. And then Shantini Sen says something. What incredible story reflects the glorious past of India. Thank you so very much for this. And there's another question from Shantini Sen. She asks, what is SRF? Could you please elaborate? Absolutely. So when Paramahansa Yogananda ji, let me put up this picture. When Paramahansa Yogananda ji went to the United States to promote the ancient wisdom of India in yoga, he founded an organization. That organization was called SRF, or Self-Realization Fellowship. Babaji passed on a meditation technique to Yogananda ji that was also called Kriya Yoga, and the objective of SRF, or Self-Realization Fellowship, was to promote the cause of Kriya Yoga. So that is what is SRF. It helps you achieve and transform yourself. It gives you a living, and it makes you also a better human being in meditation. So that was it. And guys, if you have any further questions, feel free to post. Again, my pronouns and obeisances to all the gurus, especially Babaji, because this is Smriti gave us today, and he appeared to Paramahansa Yogananda ji on this day and to spread the cause of Kriya Yoga. Let's see if you have any more questions quickly. Okay, there's a connect question from Vishakha. Were Tirthaji and Yogananda ji connected? Yes, they deeply, deeply were connected because the guru of Yogananda ji was Sri Yukteswar Giri, who was in Puri. Okay, and in Puri, Tirthaji was present as a Sankaracharya of Govardhan Math Puri. Okay, so Puri is a very small village town where you also have the Jagannath temple. So clearly, these guys are connected because it's a small village. Everyone knows everyone. I've personally been there many times, and yes, there is a bond. And Tirthaji always approved of what Yogananda ji was doing, as I found out, and they had a very deeper bond which goes to many spiritual dimensions. So I feel privileged to be promoting the cause of Babaji and Tirthaji by spreading Vedic mathematics across the world. So I need your support. Let's see what we have here. Some audio issues. Let's see. Meenakshi from Kolkata says, hello, I'm Meenakshi. Pleasure to have you in our show today. So yes, if you guys have any more questions, I want to keep it really short and quick. Thank you so very much, guys, for tuning in today. And I will be giving you some great insights on Vedic mathematics as we progress in a journey to spread the positive. Thank you so very much. Namaste. This is Gaurav Tekriwal signing off. Let's make math fun together. Thank you.